How to start a YouTube TV free trial. Let's walk through these simple steps to access over 100 channels and take full advantage of the features YouTube TV offers, completely free for a limited time. Step number 1. Before you start, make sure you're eligible for a free trial. You need to be a new subscriber to YouTube TV and must not have signed up for a trial before. If you meet these criteria, you're good to go. Step number 2, head over to the YouTube TV website or open the YouTube TV app. In the right corner, click on your profile photo and select Settings. From there, navigate to the Membership section. You'll see an option to start a free trial. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your payment information. Don't worry, you won't be charged until the trial period ends, and you can cancel anytime before that. Step number 3. While signing up, you also have the option to add extra networks like HBO Max or the Spanish Plus package to your trial. These come with their own trial period, so feel free to explore them before committing. Step number 4. Once your trial starts, it's important to keep an eye on how much time you have left. To do this, go back to Settings in the YouTube TV app, click Membership, and you will see the number of days remaining on your trial. This way, you can avoid any surprise charges. Step number 5. While you're enjoying your free trial, make sure to use YouTube TV's unlimited DVR feature. You can record as many shows, movies, or sports events as you want, with no storage limits. All your recordings will be available under the Library tab, so you can watch them at your convenience. Step number 6. If you decide YouTube TV isn't for you, you can cancel at any time during your trial without any charges. Just go back to Settings, select Membership, and choose Cancel. You'll still have access until the end of the trial period. But if you love it, no action is needed. Your membership will continue automatically. I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.